What's up, everybody? My name is Vincent. Welcome to Cryptolution, where we talk about everything under the moon in the crypto universe. Guys, today is January 3rd, a Monday, and I want to wish everybody a happy new year. I hope your weekend has been fantastic. It is a brand new start to a brand new time in cryptoverse, and it's exciting to see how the gaming and metaverse world is going to be happening this year, especially in Q1 and Q2 of this quarter. Now, it has been highly requested that I cover the recent price action in SIDUS over the weekend. Why did the price go up, and what was it that sparked the price to go up? We're going to dive deeper into that because I have some things to share with you that maybe could get you really excited about the SIDUS token or their governance token, which is called the Senate token. We're going to talk about what the difference is and which one you should be looking forward to, and is this a time to invest in the NFTs or in the tokens themselves? So with that said, guys, be sure to like that button, hit that subscribe button, and don't forget to join our Patreon page, which there is a link down in the descriptions below. Now, with that said, let us dive deep into SIDUS. So, SIDUS, as you know, is basically a AAA game that is aspiring to be a AAA game, but is further on in its development right now, and we haven't really experienced a beta stage yet, but there is a way you can participate in the beta stage yourself. You can go on the website and, test out the technology and just play like a little short experience walkthrough in this arena that they have, but they are announcing that there will be a chance to partake in that. So how do you do that? Well, we're going to talk about that, but I just want to give a shout out to one of our YouTube commentators. Al Hesh said, "Thanks, brother. Can you talk about SIDUS Heroes, currency, please, and what are your expectations about it?" Now, this happened, I think it was either on Friday or Saturday, because something had happened with the price. So let's look at the overall price. Now, SIDUS currently right now is at 14 cents. Originally, it was at 10 cents over the weekend. But what happened was the price started skyrocketing and going all the way up to 18 cents. So that was more than a 30% increase over just a couple days. Now, that is obviously a bit strange. The market cap was around I believe around 90 million in terms of its market cap. Now it's reduced to 76 million. So there's obviously a dip going on. And then the Senate token, currently at $4.10, was at around $3, and it went as high as almost $6, but now it's retracing back. So there's obviously a little bit of a pump, and then there's a little bit of a dump. Now, was this strategic? We don't know. But why did the price go up? Well, recently, SIDUS has this new NFT Heroes and also NFT Hero Academy. I'm going to talk about the NFT space first because I want you to know the difference between the Senate token and the SIDUS token, kind of where they go. So in this description right here, I just want to show you this really important chart, which is going to be really quick. Now, you're the player and this is the marketplace. And know that the a SIDUS token does help you get inventory. It can also get you Team Heroes, which is the hero collection, and also the Academy, and also can get you pet collections. But what's really most important you need to notice is the Senate token. The Senate token is a governance token, while SIDUS is a utility token, which is also known as an in-game currency token. So which one is the best? Well, in my perspective, I think Senate token stands out to be the strongest. You know why? Because it deals with buying spaceship collections and land plots. That to me is considered a digital asset. It's digital property. While there are heroes and pets and things that are nice and neat, these are more for in-game benefits, meaning your character gets to build and travel, which is great. But in terms of investment, the Senate token possibly could be the way to go. And considering that's around $4.10 rather than $3, well, I mean, $3 would have been better, but what I meant was $6, where it was almost at its new all-time high. That's a little bit of a steep price. So if you can acquire a cheaper price on the Senate token, that'd be better. And you can obviously that with the player with this the Senate token, it basically circulates. It can go from income from other players. It can also go from the orbital stations, and it just helps out so much. Now, further down, which I will scroll down to, we're going to talk about the economy. This is the SIDUS economy. It continues to go on, but also in the political scheme, notice that the Senate token allows you to have some governance, which means that you have some political influence within the game. You can see where the game's headed. You can develop the roadmap with the team, but it does help you in a bigger way, and that's why the Senate token is more powerful. And it also can help you either gain planets, other ships, and also a central station, which every ship will go to in order to either buy, swap, or whatever you want to do, upgrade your characters or your stations. This is a little bit of a breakdown of all the qualities of each of those ships, stations, and planets, along with asteroids and comets. I'm not really interested in the asteroid and comets. This is the universe itself. But also, we're going to go further down here. Land distribution. This is the most important part. So you see how this Senate token allows you to purchase land, and that allows you to put the land into auctions, and you can also do fixed price land plots. So you can imagine you buy those Senate tokens to buy the land, you can resell that land for much more. So you're actually getting a bigger return on your investment than the SIDUS token where you're trying to sell the characters. I'm not trying to diss on the SIDUS token or the characteristics of their heroes, but it may have a smaller return on investment compared to lands or ships. This is the rating system, and I want to go all the way down to the bottom because I think this is really important. So eventually there's going to be a burning of tokens. Now, it's not at that stage yet because obviously we have to go through the whole economic activity right here, which we haven't really finished or even begun yet. But know that future down the road, they're going to be burning tokens. They haven't announced anything like that yet, but with burning either the Senate or the SIDUS token, that could increase the price. Now, know this about the SIDUS and Senate token is the tokenomics. SIDUS currently has 30 billion tokens. Now let's look at the Senate token. It has 300 million. So the scarcity of the Senate token is smaller, obviously. So to me, the Senate token is worth more down the road. So keep that in mind if you're interested, because if they burn either the Senate or the SIDUS token, guess which one's going to go up in value more? And know that the prices are already put in there right now. So obviously I'm gearing towards the Senate token. Now, this was all, the price was sparked by the announcement that SIDUS had that these NFT Academy collections will basically give you early access into the game. And you could possibly, with that early access into the metaverse stage, you can hopefully get some loot boxes, armor, weapons before anybody else. So they're trying to auction that, and that will happen on January 6th, which is just 3 days from now. And they look like this, these little icons right here. Now, they do describe in that link what these are. Now, just secure yourself a spot and witness the origins of the SIDUS civilization. Take part in the SIDUS Academy, which is the new collection pre-sale that's happening the 6th. Hurry, the number of NFTs is limited. The pre-sale will only last 15 hours. In my eyes, it's not going to last 15 hours. It's just going to last a few seconds. It could literally take just a few minutes for all of these to sell out. I think they're just leaving that window open just in case. Now, further on down, this is the new collection. SIDUS Academy New Collection, a collection of NFTs that serves as a ticket, remember, ticket to the gaming metaverse, and will be available to the general public. The release of SIDUS Academy will be January 2022. Now, can you resell this in the secondary market? I noticed that when people try to resell this on the secondary market, it doesn't really sell because, again, what's the whole point of getting into the game after it's already been launched to the public? So this is just to provide early access. So don't go in this trying to sell this on the secondary market because that's what the heroes are for. So this is the SIDUS NFT Heroes, which is the old collection. You need to distinguish the difference. So SIDUS NFT Heroes, the old collection, which is a collection of 6,000 characters, each within 13 unique traits and one of the 3 rarity levels, original, rare, or legendary. The collection will launch in August of 2021, which it already has. So these are already available right now, but basically you want to have these before you can buy these. So you have to have a new collection. You need to have the old collection of NFTs before heading into the new collection tickets to gain access to the game. Now, if you're interested, you can go on to OpenSea and you can see that you can buy these NFT heroes from SIDUS at any moment. And right now, they're selling for almost close to $3,000 or around that range. So it's 0.7 ETH. Now, I don't know what the rarity is on this. You may have to do your own research, but be sure to double check that this is listed under SIDUS NFT Heroes. There are a lot of fake scammers out there, so do not buy something that looks like it's legit or a cheap price. If it is at a cheap price, be really wary of that because it could be just someone taking a JPEG and trying to basically duplicate and basically make a scam out of this. So keep that in mind. So recently there were some people like D Green. These are celebrities, aka athletes that have been really bullish on the game, and they are sharing this. Obviously, that helps push the price up even more. And recently, they also noticed that the SIDUS has released an announcement with what SIDUS will do, but also what the Senate tokens will do. So that's why the prices of both Senate and SIDUS did jump, and that's just really bullish to me. Now, the Senate token is not just for these little vehicles, but like I said before, they are for these ships as well. So keep that in mind. This could be really juicy. If you're interested in getting these out and buying them, January 6th, keep that on your calendars for the Senate token and accumulate those if you feel like this is something that you want to invest in. This is not financial advice, this is my own financial opinion and entertainment. So next up, and the last one we're going to look at, is the price action. So where can the Senate and SIDUS token go? We're going to start with the Senate token. Now, this is on the Senate compared to the wrapped ETH. They do not have the USDT comparisons, but you can see that it is easy to track with the comparisons with ETH. So as you can see here, I've kind of created some support levels. So there is a support level of 0.007 and another support level of 0.001. Now, it just recently, again, we talked about how the NFT announcement did boost the price, and this is the price action right now. So there was a big buy-in in these large green volume sticks right here. But you're noticing that there's a sell-off. And right now, it's struggling to stay above the EMA ribbon. And right now, it's looking to get some support level right around here at this yellow line. Now, say for instance, I'm not doing any, comparisons in terms of its trend, if it's a ascending triangle or descending triangle. I think just using a Fibonacci retracement level, if this were to go back up, we could see a price potential of it not just hitting right here at the 0.001, but we can hit here possibly in discovery price of around 0.002. Now, that's why I think this token is just taking a breather at the moment. Again, I'm keeping an eye out more on the Senate token than the SIDUS token, because the SIDUS token is just a utility token. So I think that this is completely healthy. If it does fall below the support level, then you must know that it could hit at this point right here. But at this moment, I think until January 6th, I think the price is going to fluctuate up and down quite a bit. But I would not be against going to acquire Senate tokens. Now, am I interested in buying these ships and plot lands? Personally, I'm not invested in this project, but again, this is just a requested video that you guys wanted to see, and hopefully this gives you some support. Now let's go ahead and look at the SIDUS token. Now the SIDUS token's a little different because I think I didn't want to use a Fibonacci retracement because I think the SIDUS token has had more action, and I think people mentally think of SIDUS token as the official token of SIDUS. But some people aren't aware that it's just a utility token. It's just to help with in-game currency. Now, as you can see, it is on an uptrend, and I created this line yesterday, and before we saw this broke before the EMA ribbon, it was actually right here, and so it just touched my support level right there of the uptrend line. And so right now it's struggling with the EMA ribbon as well, but again, these are both on the 4-hourly chart. On the daily chart, they are below the EMA ribbon. But a lot can happen with 4 hours. This game was just recently launched, and I do think that this could potentially go to the upside if people see the quality of the Academy token. The Academy NFTs, or maybe possibly finding a bit of quality in the SIDUS token for in-game currencies. But if this does break, it could go to the support level here, around 0.000002. But if it does fall below that, then it could fall even lower than that. So again, I'm not even feeling bullish on SIDUS. I'm more bullish on Senate. So there you go, guys. That's just my personal opinion. I know this is a lot to take in, but you wanted to know why was the price going up for SIDUS and Senate, and where can you expect these prices to go next? Now, guys, I want to hear your predictions down below in the comments. Where do you think the price of SIDUS and Senate could hit, either on an uptrend or a downtrend? Where's the bottom? Where's the top? And are you excited about buying plots of land? Are you excited about buying these spaceships? Or are you excited to buy the heroes on OpenSea, or maybe possibly buy these tickets to have an early access to the beta game of SIDUS? I want to hear your thoughts down below, guys, because again, you guys are playing these games and I want you guys to feel bullish on this. So tell me in the comments down below. So with that said, guys, be sure to like that button, hit that subscribe button, and I will see you guys next time.
Thanks for watching Cryptolution. Register on our Patreon page for our insider training tips and more. And don't forget to click on the affiliates link below to receive sign-up bonuses and access the Global Crypto Assets Exchange. Invest safely, and we'll see you on the next episode of Cryptolution.